83 days until GCSE Maths Paper 1. Pause the video, have a go at this question, and then we'll have a look at it together. Sketch the graph of y equals x squared plus 4x minus 5. Label any points of intersection with the coordinate axes and label the turning point of the graph. For the coordinate axes, we'll have the x-intercepts and the y-intercept. The y-intercepts we can read off the graph, that's our plus c, which in this case is minus 5. To find the x-intercepts, we'll need to set this equation equal to 0. So x squared plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. To solve quadratics, we'll first factorise into double brackets. To get x squared, we'll have x and x in those brackets. Then two numbers which multiply to give minus 5 but add to give positive 4 will be plus 5 and minus 1. Setting each of these brackets equal to 0, if x plus 5 is equal to 0, x must be equal to minus 5, and if x minus 1 is equal to 0, x has to be equal to 1. So the x-intercepts, or in other words, the roots for this equation, will be when x is minus 5 and x is 1. Finally, we just need to find the turning point, which we do by completing the square. To complete the square, we set up a single bracket which is squared, and in this bracket we'll have x plus half of the coefficient of our second term. Half of 4 is 2, so in this bracket we'll have plus 2. Then we'll need to subtract 2 squared, which is 4. So subtract 4, and we also have the minus 5. Collecting our like terms together, we have x plus 2 squared minus 4 minus 5 will be minus 9. Which means the turning point will be to find the x-coordinate of the turning point, setting this bracket equal to 0. X must be equal to minus 2. Then the number on the outside is the y-coordinate for the turning point, which is minus 9. Sketching this onto a graph, we have the x-axis and the y-axis. The y-intercept is minus 5, so we'll estimate this to be somewhere around here. The x-intercepts are minus 5 and plus 1. And the turning point is minus 2, 9. A quadratic graph is a U-shape, so we'll draw in a U-shape connecting through these points. So our graph will look something like this.